Hi, this week for our campfire cooking, we are going to make a campfire crunch wrap. So what you'll need are some pie irons right here. You'll need a flour tortilla, as well as some tostadas. So these are pretty much like hard shell tacos, but flat. And then whatever you want to put inside. So if you're using meat, you're going to need to cook that beforehand because we don't want to put our raw meat into our crunch wrap. It just won't cook very well. As well as beans if you want them, tomatoes, we've got cheese, salsa, lettuce, and then we have sour cream and guacamole still in the fridge. So we're going to start off just by getting our meat cooked first. Okay. We have our ground beef and we're just going to put it in over the fire. So as you can see, we were having some technical difficulties with our grate. So we just used 2 big logs to put the grate over it so that it will stand. I'm just going to put it in here and just kind of hang out over here and brown it for a little while. And after it's browned, we're going to add our taco seasoning to it, and then we'll take it out and add it to our crunch wrap. Our meat has been cooking for a while. It's nice and done. So I'm just going to go ahead and put our taco seasoning in it and stir it around. If you have a lot of grease in your meat, you can go ahead and drain that out also before you do this step. And this is just about done. I'll let it stick here for a little bit and then we'll take it over and start making our crunch wraps. Okay, so now that we have our meat all cooked, we're going to go ahead and start prepping our pie irons. So first you're going to need some butter or some sort of spray something just to spread on here so that stuff doesn't stick. Luckily it's nice and warm here, so everything's already pretty melted, so it's not too hard to do. Just make sure that you get it on both sides so you don't have one side that is particularly crunchy in a way we don't want it to be. So you've got it nice and buttered, and it will move around, so don't worry too much about it. Now we're going to take our flour tortilla and place it in there, kind of centered. And then you can take your meat, put a little bit in there, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of cheese on it. Who are we kidding? We love cheese. And then we're going to put our tostada on top. And then you can just kind of do whatever you want to do. So if you want some tomatoes, remember our meat's already warm, so we're really just warming up this tortilla. So you can add a little bit of tomatoes on there. If you want some beans, you can add that in there too. If you don't mind your lettuce being a little warm, you can add your lettuce in here. But I don't want mine to be warm. And then we're going to kind of fold it up. So you are going to crunch your tortilla a little bit, but that's okay. So we're just going to crunch it. You might have to do some interesting angles. It might split a little bit. Okay, so got it kind of nice and folded in there. And then we're just gonna close it over here. If you have a couple pieces that are a little too squishy, but I think we're pretty much ready to go. And then we're just gonna take it over to the fire. Get it in the coals. And let it wait for a little bit. If your pie iron has the little hook on it, I usually don't mess with closing it because it can get really, really hot and I don't want to burn my hands on accident. So leave it there for a couple minutes, rotate it, and then it should be good to go. Our crunch wrap is all done. You can kind of hear it sizzling. There it is, looking delicious. So all you have to do is flop it over to our plate. Got a little toasty, but I think it'll be very yummy. And then you can just add whatever else you want on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead, put my lettuce on it. Got some guacamole. Just put some of that in there. You want some salsa. And then you can add sour cream or anything else you want to it. Looks delicious.